Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Hope everybody's doing good today. Today I'm going to be working on this 16 by 20 canvas. So I'll try and keep it all in frame. Just got this little bitty cup that I'm going to fill. I used this canvas before, as you can see it's been done with some violet on it. So I'm going to use the same color. I went ahead and painted my sides so they'll be easier to cover. First off, I want to show you this from my last video. Turned out really pretty. I really love the lines that the tree rings left. Love the colors. So let me know if you're interested. All my information is in the drop box below every video. And I want to remind you again that while I'm gone on vacation, I'm just going to have one video up a week, and that'll be on Thursdays. So let's get on with the painting. I'm going to put this down, and I added some white to it to kind of give it a swirly like background, so it won't be just plain violet. So let's hope that this works out. I might have to add some more paint to it, but I mixed up a lot, so if I need more, I've got it. Okay, hopefully that'll straighten out as I do the other part. I'm believing that it probably will. If not, I can fiddle with it afterwards to make it do right. The more I fiddle with it, the worse it's going to get, I think. Okay. So I'm wipe my hands off real quick. All right. I just have this little tiny cup because, as you know, I'm the queen of too much paint. And I just have 3 colors I'm going to use. And if I don't have enough, then I can refill my little cup. And I have this turquoise. It's Aqua Flash. There's turquoise flash. I have 24 karat gold. And I have the Mutant Flash Aqua. There we go. And that's going to be it. And I'm just going to flip it right over here. Just like that. And leave it for a few minutes. Let that sink down. Get all of it out. Torch. I think I'm running out of butane. I'm going to pour just a little bit around this cup, so maybe my cup will flow. I think it's taken all the paint with it though. Yep. There we go. That out of there. That looks pretty. All right. Said I don't want too much of it. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. Trying to keep it in screen. Turn it around. Go this way. It's coming towards you guys, so you'll be able to see what how I'm doing it. Bring it back this way some. If we can bring it down this way a little bit. Oh, let's see what we got here. I think I really like that. To cover up this edge a little bit more, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good this way. I like how this is, it's got lines right in here. Everything's covered pretty good. What do you guys think? I hope you like it this way. I think it's pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool this way. I can get this all covered here. I like how that's come out like that. Let's see if I can bring it down back over this way just a little bit to cover this edge. I know you're probably seeing the back of it, and I'm sorry about that, but I think this is about the way it's going to go. I really like it. Right, let me get my hands wiped off. Well, that didn't work. There we go. My arm and everything else that's covered in purple. Oh, goodness. All right. I have purple everywhere. I think that looks pretty darn good. I love this purple. Love those colors. Close up for you. If you can see those lines in there, that's gorgeous. And the shift colors and the 14K, beautiful. I hope you all liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up, please. Really helps me with my placement in YouTube. It'll be out on a Thursday until I get back at the end of October. I appreciate you all so much. Get my hands wiped off better. There we go. Get my gloves off. Please visit my Etsy store as often as you like. Got great things on there. I thank you all for watching. And as always, please have a great day.